Number 6. Jumpin Jack Flash. The song was composed in a country house that Keith Richards had bought in the southeast of England, and both he and Mick Jagger were tired and up until very late trying to compose something while it began to rain at dawn, at which time the vocalist took a good scare when hearing the sound of very strange footsteps passing very close to the window. And Keith Richards, looking through it, reassures him that it was his gardener Jack Dyer, a country Englishman who was a great guy and was wearing rubber boots while crossing and jumping through the rain. The guitarist commented in an interview that after this incident, he took his guitar in an open tuning and began to play with the phrase Jumpin Jack, to which Mick Jagger added Flash. It turned out to be a wonderful phrase that sounded very good with the rhythm they were developing. The guitarist remarks that the scare helped them clear their minds and made it easier to sketch out the song.